Let's review the way that the grid operates. Now that we can see the data on the grid and the columns that we've chosen, we can go ahead and just see what it can do for us. So it loads the data, okay? And you can see that it loaded about 25 rows, or exactly 25 rows. And we can see that it was doing that using our data API. So when we open the developer tools, we can see here a call to orders that returned 25 orders. Now, I'm going to put this at the bottom of the screen so we can review every time. And have a look here, see what we can squeeze in. Yeah, not enough room, but let's see what we do with that. So if I do next page, we can see that it went orders page 2, and orders page 3, and orders page 4, and orders page 5. So essentially it's going to the server to get the data that it needs. It can see 10 rows or 10 million rows and it doesn't really care, it doesn't affect the client. You can also see the very quick response times when we are browsing through the data. Now the grid also supports sorting. If I click on a column, it will sort according to that column. Okay, and we can see how it operates. Click on another column, it will sort on it, on that, on that. Another click will order by descending. Okay, and all of that is done on the server without us having to write any code for that, because it's using the same data APIs that we showed before to get the data in an effective way. Now this grid has a lot of capabilities. One of them is allowing update. Let's go ahead and enable allowing update. So as one of these arguments, we can say allow update equals true. Let's refresh. And now we can update. We can go and set the values over here, say change VNet to VI and then save it. And when we reload the page, it will be VI. And I can change this back to VNet and save it, and it will save the change. I can also start doing some changes here and then press cancel, and it will revert to the original state. Not only that, it will also support validation, or validation on the server in this case. So if I'm going to change the ID from 48 to 49, which already exists here, and send the update, I will get a message that the constraint has failed. It went to the server, it tried to do the update, it got the failure and brought it back to me. Perfect.